Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing for you. This one is the Advent Calendar from Made to Surprise by Sam Calcott. And I have Orion because there's a box, and where there's a box, there's normally an Orion. So when he moves, I can actually do the unboxing for you. Thanks, buddy. Okay, so here we have the beautiful box. As you can see, it says Made to Surprise by Sam Calcott on there. It's an absolutely gorgeous, very, very sturdy, fully decorated box. I think it would make an absolutely awesome box for a gift for someone. It's got a ribbon enclosure, so it does up nice and securely. And as you can see, it's so big it doesn't really fit in my camera shot very, very well at all. It's huge. So let's see what we have in here. Any minute now, Ollie. Sorry, I've had to do a voiceover for this one because it didn't record my voice. Everything inside the box has been individually boxed as well. And it's got all the numbers on there, as you can see, and it's got some beautiful tissue paper to keep everything nice and safe. This box contains 12 items, and it is value packed. This one here, I couldn't decide if it was a 9 or a 6. I think it could be either or. So I've just sort of gone, okay, well, that one's going to be a 9. So I'm just fishing through, putting them in order, trying to save a little bit of time with the unboxing so I'm not searching for everything for you. So I'm almost there. All different shapes and sizes. Okay, so here is box number 1. And each box is securely secured with a little bit of tape as well. So here we go. All right, what have we got in box number 1? Okay, we have a little postcard, a Christmas surprise, and it's just got a QR code on there, which I think might lead me to some videos on how to use the products. I'm not exactly sure. I haven't scanned that one in yet. And here we have a beautiful little stamp set. It's really, really cute. There's a little, there's a wreath, there's a mince pie, and a candy cane tree, cracker, some arms and legs so that you can sort of put arms and legs on the mince pie or candy cane if you wish. It's really, really cute. Got some beautiful little sentiments in there. I love the may contain socks. Really, really cute. Alrighty, number 2. What have we got? As you can see, I struggle a bit with the tape and everything. Here we go. Oh, it's a lovely die set. It's intriguing. I wonder what shape card this one's going to make. Sam always has lovely inventive 3D cards or pop-up cards as well. So it'll be really interesting to see what that does. It's got like little grooves there and it's all joined. The big oval is joined to a base there. We've got the dies for the little arms and legs and a few of the other bits and pieces that were in the stamp set. So it is meant to tie in with the stamp set, and it says on there a 3D pop-up die set. So it'll be interesting having a play with that one, and I'm sure Sam will have videos as well. So on to box number 3. At some stage I give up here and I actually use my little tiny box cutter. Might be on the next one maybe. I can't remember. No, it's now. It will be much quicker from now on trying to unbox them. And this one is a beautiful wax seal. It says hello when I can get it to focus. There we go. Hello. So I'll have to have a play with my wax seals with that one. That's really pretty. Okay, and now we're on to day 4. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, this was really, really cute. It's a tiny little ceramic trinket tray. So, you know, when you have those little bits and pieces on your desk that just fly around and you sort of tend to lose them, they end up on the floor or in your bin. This is perfect just to keep those little die cuts, dies, anything like that in there. Even a few sequins if you're, doing making some cards with sequins and things on there. Okay, so what do we have in day number 5? It's a bigger box. Oh, there we go. We have some confetti mix. All sorts of things are in here. We've got stars and hearts. It's quite big. There's a lot in there that will make a lot of shaker cards. And they're beautiful. They're not too bright, not too pastel. That's going to come in super handy. I'll just add it to my collection. And I think I can see some shaker cards coming your way. Okay, here is day 6 or day 9. I'm not exactly sure which. It's another little drawer. Ah, this is lovely. This is a glue stopper. So I'll show you the one I made for myself with my art glitter glue. They're really fun to make. You just got to use a stainless steel pin. And this one will be going onto my Barely Art glue bottle because I hadn't made one for that one yet. So that's brilliant. Very, very nice. Love it. Okay, and now we are up to day 7. What do we have? It's a really, really pretty 2D embossing folder with multiple rainbows or swirls, whatever you fancy. It could be anything. It could be water, little waterfalls. First thing that came to my mind was rainbows. Alrighty, on to day 8. And we have a lovely little pin. And it says, paper crafting is my superpower. I think we can all say that. And on to day 9 or day 6, whichever. In here, ooh, a beautiful little pair of very, very sharp and pointy little fussy cutting scissors. You can never have too many pairs of scissors, I don't think, in the craft room. Do yours go walkabout? I know mine do. And it's a really pretty, like oil slick, peacocky colour. So I'm going to put them straight into my tray next to me. Very nice. And now we're moving on to day 10. And what do we have here? Some more stamps. These ones are fruit, and the little arms and legs from day 1 will still go really nicely with the fruit. Really, really cute. It's got all the little puns. Some gorgeous little party hats. They're going to come in very handy for all sorts of other stamp sets as well. 2 to go. Day 11. We have a little candy cane pokey tool. Very sharp. That comes in really handy to remove stubborn bits out of dies. Oh, and lots of other things, but that's what I mainly use mine for. And now the final box, day 12. We have a gorgeous paper pack. Very, very nice. It's called Something Sweet. It's about, I think it was 176 GSM. So it's a really nice layering card. And looks like we get, how many do we get, Ollie? 3 of each pattern in there. And they're not necessarily Christmas. They can be for any time of year. They're single-sided, so you don't have the worry of, oh no, which side do I use when you've got two pretty sides. The wavy one's really cute. I love that one. And I really like this one. Nice pale tealy gingham. And there we go. That's all the pattern papers that were in there. So I found it was a very good box, good value for everything that's in there, and we get an interactive die in there as well. We just need to keep an eye out on Sam's videos to so that she can show us what she does with the die, and then we can either use it the same way or we can interpret different ways of using it. I love it. I love it. And I especially love the box. It is so pretty. You just got to cover that bit up there and you can give it away as a gift. You can keep it in your craft room as storage. I mean, it's divine. It's really pretty. And you can put on the back there where it says the made to surprise, you can stick a little bit of white cardstock and have, you know, your sentiment on there if you're giving it away and don't want to give a card with it. Really good value. So I'm just going to put everything down again that we got in the box just to show you. But I did forget to put the enamel pin there, so there's also the enamel pin. But as you can see, it's got a lot in there, especially because it was only 12 days worth as well. If you got the box, let me know what you think. I think depending on what the postage costs are next year, I will probably get it again for sure. It comes all the way from the UK, so it's a bit expensive. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.